became one of the examples to the public that you as South Africans, you can support someone. Then today we are speaking a different language. Therefore, even us, we are willing to encourage people that are out there to say there is nothing impossible if the possibility of it being possible is possible. Therefore, I saw the potential from the guy, and I'm still working with him. I'm happy working with him, and I know he has so many things to contribute in South Africa.
Now, Senzo, before I let you go, uva unjani nje ukuzelana ku-Song of the Year?
For me, in fact, as an upcoming artist, kuyangigqugquzela kakhulu and kunginika amandla okupusha more ukuthi because mina I feel lento eyenzeka kimi njengamanje abantu bakhombisa uku-appreciate engibenzele khona, so kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi abantu basheshe babone ukuthi yini engibaphathele yona emculweni, yini engibalethele yona as umculo osafika. So ngiyafisa kakhulu ukuthi i-relationship yami nama-fans omculo ingapheli manje, iqhubeke njalo ngoba kusekuningi kakhulu engibaphathele khona nengisazobalethela khona.
Kasikufisela inhlanhla mna bethu. Thank you so much for your time. That was Maskandi artist Senzo Ndengane Zondi and his manager Sanele Hlongwa speaking to us about Maskandi and the Song of the Year competition. This is Morning Live. Let's go pay the bills now.